Hello everyone and welcome to Best Twitch Streamers, and here we make tutorials and topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about on how you can make yourself a Blizzard account, because you need to make a Blizzard account if you want to play Overwatch. So what you want to first do is go to Google and type in Blizzard. Once you're done doing that, click on the link. Once you press on the link over here, you can see an account. From there, just click on sign up. And now as soon as you click on sign up, I'm just going to open up the email over here real quick. It's going to be over here. Now it's going to ask you for a date of birth. I'm just going to put in something random. That's what I'm going to put in. Tech idea. Yeah, why not? Now from here, you just want to give your email address. So this is going to be the email address, and then boom, you've read it. Now I don't want to receive any stuff from Blizzard, so and next thing you want to do is set yourself a password. So once you put yourself your password, now we can make our name tag. So that's gonna be it, and then it's gonna ask you for verification. So verify, and then from here all you want to do is pick the crab, and then that's about it. And then our account is all set. Now all we have to do is just log in and then download Overwatch 2. That's about it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like, hit that subscribe, and hit that notification bell. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.